What's up, guys? Today I am going to be reviewing the 12-minute affiliate program. I'm just going to keep this about 8 minutes long. It's a really simple program, and I'm just going to cut to the chase and tell you all about this program. So, it's one of the simplest ways I've found to earn money online. If you're looking for something online to invest in to earn you a decent income. Now, this particular system, as I've said, is called a 12-minute affiliate program. And it's called a 12-minute affiliate program because, simply put, they're saying that you can have everything set up and running in 12 minutes, that you can literally earn your first commission in 12 minutes. But you will find that that isn't necessarily the case. What I've found is that you can have everything set up in an hour. Okay? And then after you have your thing set up, then depending on how much you invest in traffic to your website, landing page and stuff like that, then that would determine how quickly and how many sales you get. However, I will say that getting into this program is actually very, very attractive. Okay, if we scroll through this article here, you can jump in for just $9.95. I kid you not. So for the price of a pizza, you can get started with this program. So before we jump into any of the heavy lifting, this program is actually created by Devon Brown, and he has been a long time e-commerce internet affiliate person on the website. He's been around for quite some time, and he has tried quite a few things and has achieved some success after a number of years. He actually achieved massive success, and based on his failures and successes, he decided to put together this program to help everyday average people create their own online business. So that's the long and short about Devon. He's a straight up guy, simple guy, and I'll actually leave a link to this article below so you can read it in your own free time and stuff like that. But he's been around for some time, and he put together this package. So can you listen to what he says? Yes, you can. Okay, now we already went over how long it takes to get commissions and stuff. So here's a view of what the back office of your 12-minute affiliate site would look like. Okay, so each profile, if you will have your getting started section, step-by-step setup, getting coaching. You can upgrade your account to a more premium account that has more support and stuff like that. By the way, when you are setting up your business, you can actually employ the help of the 12-minute affiliate team. They will literally step in and help you set your thing up step by step. So it's not a case where you pay for the course or pay for the system and then you're left to yourself. You actually get help to set things up, to get things going. Alright, so full disclosure, it's not a case where you just buy the system and then you set it up and then that's it. There will be other tools that you'll need. Okay, these tools, for one, would include sources of products or services, and these sources will be ClickBank, which is one of the largest, if not the largest, affiliate network there is, JVZoo, which is another very popular affiliate network, and Warrior Plus. Okay, so if you're unfamiliar with ClickBank, this is just a snapshot of what the marketplace looks like. The marketplace is where you go to find products. So on your left, you can search for products in a specific niche, and you can filter products by gravity. Gravity is how well the product is doing. So typically a product that is hot is usually running around 100, 200 gravity points or a gravity score. Don't be alarmed by that, because the fact that it has a large gravity score means that it's selling, so it's converting. So that's probably something you'd want to look at. You can find a list of products to sell. Like I said, it could be physical products, it could be courses, it could be ebooks. So for example, this particular product is called His Secret Obsession, right? And this is a product for females to get their male partners hooked on them. So there's everything on here. There's software, there's everything. I kid you not. So when you purchase or when you promote this product and you purchase this product, which has an average sale of 46.43%, if you were to look at the percent commission, it should be stated somewhere down here. So if you were to go and sign up for ClickBank, which is completely free to sign up, you would get a commission of roughly 50%, I believe, if I can see the information here. But each seller has their commission set to different prices. So you will be promoting products from these three affiliate networks, and the main types of products that you will be promoting will be in the bring in cash on the web or make money online niche, the health and wellness niche, and the personal turn of events. So it could be manifesting your dream house, or how to manifest stuff that you want in your life, or getting the relationship that you've always wanted. Just, personal stuff like that. So some of the tools that you will be needing will be autoresponders. So things like Get Response, and there's a link here to Get Response if you want to try that out. There's MailChimp, Aweber, and other autoresponder softwares that you can use. So you won't pay for the system and then just get set up and then that's it. You will need to purchase an autoresponder, but don't worry, they're pretty cheap. For example, the basic package for Get Response is about $15 per month, and when you get going, your commission sales will actually be way more than $15, so you don't have anything to worry about. Okay. You will actually need a funnel builder, but that funnel builder is actually included in the 12-minute affiliate system. They have done for you funnels that are proven and tested to work, so you'll just be using those funnels and promoting those funnels, connecting them to your autoresponder. If I never said it before, an autoresponder is just software that sends out emails whenever someone signs up for your product. So when they sign up, you can program your autoresponder to send out emails to these customers, clients, people on your list of certain deals or updates and so forth. Maybe you even have products that come out in the future that you want to make these people on your list aware of. So the autoresponder collects these names on a list and allows you to send out emails to these people. So that's really what it is. Okay, so you will be taught how to drive traffic to your landing pages, which is what you'll be using to promote your products. It's like a mini website that is focused on a particular product or service. So there are packages that are available for $47 per month, and in this package you'll have full range access to everything. Okay, that's additional to the $9.95 that you'll pay initially. But if it's something that you're interested in, you can pay your $9.95, get started, and if it's not your kettle of fish, then it was a $9, $10 investment, and you didn't lose much. You lost a pizza pretty much. Okay, so it's worth a try. If you're just getting your feet wet in affiliate marketing, if you're just getting your feet wet in not e-commerce, but making money online, then this is really a great way to get started. Everything is done for you. You just need to connect the dots, promote your product, and watch the commissions come in. Right? Like I said, you will have the help of the team from 12-minute affiliate to help you get things set up, so it's not like you're left on your own to figure things out. They will literally help step in and help you set up or do the setting up for you. Alright, so is it worth it? I think it's worth a try. I wouldn't exactly expect you to take my word for it, but it's worth a try. It's a, like it says here, it's a better than average program that allows you to handily set up associate deals, channels, and begin to bring in cash on the web. Be that as it may, it's not as simple to bring in cash with it as the business page recommends. There will be an enormous expectation to learn and adapt, particularly in the event that you are an amateur. So there is a slight learning curve. I have been in affiliate marketing for some time. I've made my mistakes. I learned from them. And in this program, they're actually going to show you what possible mistakes can happen and how to rectify them, or how to just avoid them completely. With that said, I do think it's worth a try. It's not hard. It's just, in all things, there is a learning curve. But this is a simple process, a simple system that won't have a big learning curve, if you get what I mean. Okay? So, like I said, I would actually have you read through this article because it does go in detail as to what the system has to offer. But for $9.95, it's worth a try. You're not losing much except some time to get things set up. Can it be a little tricky? Yes. If you have completely no clue what you're doing, it can seem daunting, but it really is a simple system once you look at the overall picture. And again, the team there will actually help you come to grips with what is happening, what things mean, like what the word autoresponder is, like I explained earlier. But it's nothing to fear once you jump in and have the mindset that you will get this thing going, especially for $9 or $10. It does work. And I mean, you can get commissions of $460 per day minimum. Now that won't happen every day, but it depends on how much you invest in it. But you can get commissions very quickly. So with that said, 12-minute affiliate program, is it worth it? I think it's worth a try. Is it easy? I wouldn't say it's easy, but it's a simple process that if you get your mind wrapped around it, you can figure it out very quickly. Is it very beginner friendly? Not so much, just because there's this learning curve. And so if you're willing to learn what this thing is, I promise you that it can yield great rewards. But like I said, don't take my word for it. There will be a link below. Follow the link. There will be a landing page. You can enter your name. That landing page allows us here to update you on things that are new. We don't sell your information. We're not going to disclose your information or anything. You won't see any spammy emails. You'll see a welcome email from us, and from Dream Creation Labs actually. And those emails will update you on things that are happening with this system and future systems that might come out that you may be interested in. So check the links below, try it for yourself, and like I said, you can talk to the team there about anything, and if you have any questions, you could just email us here and we'll do our best to answer your questions. But with that said, it's the Internet Income Ninja. You can like, share, subscribe. We pump out content frequently, and we're here to help you make money online, man. There's a lot happening out there now, and more people are looking to the internet to earn money instead of going to their 9 to 5. So with that said, hope you enjoyed the video, hope you enjoyed the value added. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.